I'ma be happy. I'ma be good. You better believe it. I'ma be happy. I'ma be good. Get that understood. I'ma be happy. I'ma be good. You better believe it. I'ma be happy. I'ma be good. Get that understood.
Hey y'all, good morning. Jeremiah and I are up. Kind of sort of we're just chilling in bed. Today is my work from home day. I had to make sure I wasn't covering up the mic. In one of my videos, I covered up the mic and the audio was sounding a hot mess. But we don't have much going on today. Like I said, it is my work from home day, so we're gonna lay in bed a little bit, watch some movies. We're watching Elmo right now, but it's not so much Elmo mommy could do. Sorry, boop. So we're gonna put on like a kids movie, Shrek or something like that, and I'm gonna let him play. I'm gonna log into work and we're just gonna chill in bed for a little bit. After work we might just go to the park, or we might just hang out at home. I'm not quite sure. We'll see how Jeremiah is feeling today. So yeah, I just want to go ahead and just vlog a little bit, get in the habit of doing it more often. So yeah, thank you guys for rocking with me, and make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. We have a Instacart order. I need to see where my groceries are because it has been a little minute. Let's see, it should be here. They haven't even started shopping. I made this order last night. They drive me insane with this. Delivery today doesn't even have a time. I might as well have just went and picked this stuff up myself at this point, because it is 11 o'clock and where are the groceries? Okay, where are the groceries at? Can you walk to mommy? Yep, he can. Yes, mommy, I can. Slow down. Alright, don't run into something. Eat the papaya. Day after day, he waited with all the other animals, waiting to the quarter rain, bright eyes. Oh, mommy, she
Life
said,
is a
could
winding
this be
road.
a mountain, he wonders.
No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching.
Hey y'all, so Jeremiah is up from his nap. Say hi, friends. Whiny. Wait, what's wrong? Y'all, he teething like I told y'all. So he is Mr. Grump, 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 Grump. Definitely the Grinch. But we're getting ready to head to the park. I wanted to just show you guys dinner, and then Jeremiah's papaya and carrot puree. This is dinner. It got, the whole house is smelling so good, y'all. Chicken broth, heavy whipping cream, mozzarella cheese, kale, potatoes, and a little bit of sliced carrots.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Hey guys, as you can see, we are finally back home. When we left the park, we went ahead and went to Aldi. I returned the things that I mentioned I was going to return and picked up the things that I didn't have. So Jeremiah is in bed right now. He got a bath, he ate, I showered. It's been a long day, so I'm gonna go ahead, edit this video, and then hit the sack because we have work tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next weekend.